Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sarep Jehan A from Bais 3B. So the title of our topic is about the Indian and Persian background. So I discuss about the Persian and background. So first, Persian or Parsis are an ethno-religious group of the Indian subcontinent whose religion is Zoroastrianism. Their ancestors migrated to the region from the modern-day Iran following the Muslim conquest of Persia in the 7th century CE. Persian predominant ethnic group of Iran, formerly known as Persia, although of diverse ancestry. The Persian people united by their language Persian or Parsis about 1000 BCE, which is belongs siya sa Indo-Iranian group and sa Indo-European language family. For addition, that the majority of Persians practice Shiite Islam. Before the Muslim conquest of Persia in the 7th century CE, most Persians followed Zoroastrianism based on the teaching of the ancient prophet Zoroaster, who lived during the first half of the 1 millennium BCE and the 21st century Iran. There remained a small number. So sa South Asia ang pinakamalaking population ng Zoroastrians. In addition, originated siya sa Iran, constitute a tiny minority of the population. Their religion having been strongly discouraged by the Muslim government. So, falsafa tradition of Islam, something that has typically been considered by Western scholarship virtually to be the sole expression of Islamic philosophy. It is tradition which postdates Islam. So, falsafa, it is derived from the Greek philosophy, designate philosophy in Arabic. Also, including dito yung metaphysics and logic as well as yung mga positive science such as metaphysics, music, astronomy, anatomy. So, ito yung tinatawag na falsafa tradition. In fact, the days of the first representative of this tradition, the philosopher of the Arabs, Al-Kindi Abu Yusuf Yaqub ibn Ishaq Al-Kindi 800 to 870 CE, was a member of the Arab tribe of which had played an important role in the early history of Islam. So another is Al-Kindi is the father of philosopher of Arab, and Bait al-Hikmah, which is the House of Wisdom, also known as the Grand Library of Baghdad, practically coincide with those of the aggressive and highly systematic translation activity sa Bait al-Hikmah. Kindi al-Farabi 339 and 950 and Ibn Sina 429 and 1037, known in the Islamic tradition of the philosophe, are the only representative of Islamic speculative philosophy. So sila yung representative. Then sa pre-Islamic Perso-Indian tradition is nag-stand out siya not to have play an important role in the intellectual history of Islam. Although sa Indian source then they have assumed some scholars for some of Ibn Sina visionary or recitals, or they have a planning in the future. And Sohrawardi Ishraq doctrine drew heavily from ancient Persian source. So, the Islamic astronomical tradition, to take one of the best studied areas first, three distinct elements which determine the course of its development. The first, in chronological, the earliest elements was provided by Arabic translation and adaptation, and the second 8th century of Sanskrit and Pahlavi texts. The Greco-Syrian and Byzantine astronomical tradition, the former being partially Ptolemaic and the latter entirely Ptolemaic, constitute the second elements reaching Islam in the late 2nd, early 9th century. So, itong dalawang tradition na to were themselves not altogether independent of the Indian and Persian. Ptolemaic system was a geocentric system. Also, this is the path of the sun, moon, and planets were actually a combination, several regular circular motions seen in perspective from a stationary Earth. Claudius Ptolemy was a mathematician, astronomer, natural philosopher, geographer, and astrologer who wrote several scientific treatises, three of which were of importance to later Byzantine, Islamic, and Western European science. So, si Claudius ang writer or yung sumulat ng Books of Ptolemy. It's a 2nd century Greek language which is napapaloob doon yung mathematical, astronomically, motion of the stars, planetary paths. Long before the rise of Islam, ang Persians ay naging familiar hindi lang sa Almagets but also with Greek and Indian astrological texts through translation sponsor. So, ang Almagets is a book na sinulat ni Ptolemy. It's a 2nd century Greek language which napapaloob doon yung mathematical, astronomically, and the motion of the stars and planetary paths. So, naging sponsor dito by the earliest Sasanian rulers Ardashir 226-41 and Shapur 241-72 around the middle of the 5th century. A set of royal astronomical tables, Zik-e-Sharindern, were composed. Siya nag-compose ng astronomical tables which is Arabic Ziz, incorporated some parameters of the Indian Brahmapaksa school. Ito yung school which is into being the 5th century. The Sasanian Shah Anushirvan, siya yung nag-order ng comparison ng Almagets with an Indian text called Arabic Ziz, Al-Arkan. So, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.